In this video, I will show you how to display R secured value on chart, R squared value on chart like this. So I will show you from start. Firstly, select your data. Insert chart and select Trendline points. Now right click on it and here click on Add Trend Line. Now scroll down and you have some more options. So in the last you will see display R squared value on chart. So check this box. You can change color and size like this. You can keep anyway. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you or not.